So if you are using Edulastic this year, I need you to check your classes because if you don't check them, you could lose data. So I'm going to log in as Amanda. There we go. So once you're in your account, you're going to go down to your classes. So you're going to go down here. And right here, there's a lot of classes going on. So these ones right here, if you click them, it's going to say that they're syncing with ClassLink. We are going to get rid of these classes. So you need to go to the three dots and make sure you don't have any assignments for those classes. So again, you're going to go to this icon. Any class that looks like this, so it's going to have your grade level, your subject, and then your section number. If you have classes like this, it's going to go away. So if you have assignments to them, we need to know, and you're going to fill out a Google form. So again, just click. It's going to say sync with ClassLink, three dots, view assignments, and make sure you have no assignments that are going there. If you do, you're going to fill out a Google form so that we can look into your account. So again, we're going to go back here. The accounts that you want to use are the ones that are syncing with Clever. So the accounts that are syncing with Clever should be these ones right here. And you'll notice that they're named the exact same, which can cause a lot of confusion. So once you have it, go ahead and click in. And then you're able to go to the three dots and edit the class. And then you can rename it. Please rename it. So you might want to put a C and then the homeroom teacher, the section number, the period, whatever, because these are the classes you're going to want to assign your classes to. They are syncing every 24 hours and your classes will be up to date. So again, it's going to look like the English language arts. It might say math in your last name. And again, it's confusing because the names are different. Edulastic is also working on the number of students in the class. You'll notice that it says 50, but when I open it up, it's only 30. So they do know that bug and they are working to fix it. The next thing that you might want to do is you might want to sync with Google Classroom. If that's the case, do not click this button if you've already synced with Google Classroom. You're just going to go to the class that is syncing with Google Classroom, and you can use this button to update your classes that are syncing with Google Classroom. However, we really highly suggest that you use the Clever Sync. However, we know that there are just different cohorts and easier ways to look at data. So you might want to sync with Google Classroom, and this should work. But if it doesn't, just let us know so we can look into it. So again, go down here to your classes where it says Manage Classes. Check your Clever classes. If you have assignments to them, you need to let me know. If not, you're going to lose that information. If you have the Clever classes, which are these ones, and they're very similar, make sure you rename them. And then if you're using Google Classroom, make sure you don't click this sync with Google Classroom and you click in and sync with Google this way. And hopefully that will cause or resolve some of our issues with Edulastic and assigning different assignments.